Enabling switch to better networks on the Galaxy S24 allows your phone to automatically connect to faster or more stable Wi-Fi networks, improving connection reliability without manual intervention. Let's go through the steps to activate it. First, tap the home button to get back to your home screen. Once there, swipe down from the top of the screen and select the settings icon. In the settings menu, find and tap connections. Next, choose Wi-Fi from the list of options. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll notice the More Options icon. Tap on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Intelligent Wi-Fi. Once you're in the Intelligent Wi-Fi settings, look for the Switch to Better Wi-Fi Networks option. Right next to it, there's a toggle button. Simply tap it to turn the feature on. By activating this option, your phone will automatically switch to a faster or more stable Wi-Fi network whenever your current connection becomes weak or slow, ensuring a seamless experience. Keep in mind, this switching happens only when your screen is off, so it won't interfere with active browsing or tasks. After making your selection, you can either tap the back key or the home button to return to your home screen. And that's it. You've now optimized your Wi-Fi settings to avoid any frustrating interruptions. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.